welcome back to another video. So today I have a new unboxing. You guys know that if you've been watching my videos that I have been on this journey of health and fitness, and I'm not going to go into the whys and all of that every single video. If you want to see, you can watch my how I lost 20 pounds video, and it really shares like my story and what's happened in my life. And we're still walking this out, and so I'm really committed to my health and fitness right now and determined to turn things around. So I'm in process, but one of the things that I found out about, and I wish I had started before my 6-week fitness program, was something from Beachbody called a 3-day refresh. And so what it is it's to refresh your body, to restart. It's either like after like the holidays or after you've gone on a vacation and you're wanting to like tone back up and just clean your system out and just make sure that you're like back on track. And it's a whole vegan plan, but it's only 3 days. And it's also a great thing to do right before like an event. So I don't know, right now I'm in the middle of doing the Transform 20 and I'm loving it. If you're not following me over on Instagram, I'm posting daily about my adventures, but then those of you that are watching here, I'm sharing here every week. But I thought I would get the 3-day refresh, and when I do this, I'm not quite sure, but I will share with you guys the process. I'll probably do it all in like one video of like what I ate each day and how it went and the scale and measurements, all of that, to see how it works and if it works and all that. Because Transform 20 is going to end while I'm at Disney. So I'm going to be doing Transform 20 at Disney World. And so I'm thinking I may do this before our next trip to kind of like get prepared for it. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure. So let me know right now in the comment section below. First of all, have you done this before? And what were your results? And number two, if you haven't done it, are you interested in doing it? Because maybe we could do it together. Like maybe we could like plan it out and do it together. Because you guys know I like to walk this out together. I don't like to do things by myself. I wanna walk it out together. So I wanted to just kind of like unbox it and see what's inside. I haven't looked yet, but so far I see there is a Shakeology recipe guide thing, which is great because I tend to drink my Shakeology the same every single time. But I love that they have Shakeology stuff. And I've been drinking Shakeology long before this month. I've been doing it for probably about 4 years now, loving Shakeology and how it makes me feel. And for those of you that are interested, I get vegan chocolate Shakeology. Just looking at what's in the box here, I don't know what's coming in here. And look, this is what it is. It's vegan chocolate Shakeology. I have tried the cafe latte, I've tried strawberry, I've tried tropical strawberry and vanilla, vegan vanilla. All these are the vegan flavors. I haven't done any of the whey ones. And my favorite is chocolate, but then I also like to mix it up with vanilla every once in a while, but not mostly. Vegan chocolate is like, reminds me of Wendy's Frosty, but this makes me feel good and gives me energy and protein and makes me feel amazing, whereas Wendy's always makes me feel bleh. So it has morning, afternoon, evening. So the morning is Shakeology with a fruit, tea break, unsweetened green tea, late afternoon, a fiber sweet digestive drink. Afternoon is vanilla fresh shake, 1 fruit, 1 veggie, 1 healthy fat. And then snack is 1 veggie, 1 healthy fat, or 1 raw juice. And then tea break is tea. And then evening is the shake, 1 option from the dinner, and then herbal tea. You drink 8 cups of water, and that's what it said. So I've got a 3-day refresh program guide, and then it looks like there's a maintenance guide, so what to do after the fact. That's really cool. So I love that. So if you're really trying to like get it in gear. And then let's see what all these are. So I've got, oh, it's for like each day. It's already mapped out for me. So three packs. So I have a fiber sweet for each day. I have a vanilla fresh and a vanilla fresh. And so I can't wait to read through the booklet to see what all does this entail. What are you supposed to be eating? How does this work? It keeps you from starving yourself, but you're supposed to see good results within 3 days. So I kind of wish I had done it right before I started the Transform 20, but maybe after I end Transform 20, I'll do this. So I'm very curious to know if any of you guys are interested in doing this with me. So I'll probably be putting this video out sooner than later. I was gonna wait until after I'm done Transform 20 to share with you guys this video, but I wanna know if anybody wants to do it too, so that way we can join up together. And if not, I'll be the guinea pig and I'll share with you guys how it goes. So I am looking forward to this. It's only 3 days, so it's definitely doable, and you're still eating food. So it's not just like shakes all day, because that doesn't sound like fun. So anyways, that's it, guys. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not subscribed to see more videos. Not necessarily like this one, because I'm not going to be unboxing more 3-day refreshes. So, all right, guys, I'll see you later. All right, guys, don't mind the dishwasher noises going on in the background, but so I'm prepping for the 3-day refresh, and this is how my brain works, is I kind of have to like get it all out on paper to get a good plan going so that I can be successful. So here's my 3-day refresh in the box, all the stuff, but I grabbed the program guide and started going through the days. So they kind of map it out like, okay, so I'm doing a glass of water when I get up. I can do my Shakeology with 1.5 cups of water, and then a serving from the fruit list. So what I started doing is writing it all down. Like there's a choice for snacks and for your lunch where it's like the veggie. So what I did is I went to the veggie list. It's at the back. I'll show you. Just how my brain works. Maybe it'll help you when you're figuring it out. Okay, so they have fruit options, and so I picked from this big fruit list. I feel like it's gonna be a lot of food for me to eat, so what I'm gonna do is I picked the fruits that could go in the shake. So I'm gonna do strawberries for the vanilla whatever, and I'm gonna do 12 medium strawberries and put that in there. And then for my Shakeology, I'm going to do, my favorite is bananas. So I'm gonna do half of a frozen banana for my shake. So that's already done. So I've got my fruit figured out. Then I went to the veggie list, and there is a snack as well as lunch that requires you to choose what veggie you want and your healthy fat. So I went through the list and was like, okay, what do I like? And wrote them down over here. So bringing you over here. So for the fats, I wrote down, I like guac. Well, it's not guac, but you know, avocado. I'll mash it up so it'll look like guac, but that's why I put guac, and hummus. I also wouldn't mind olive oil as my healthy fat. And then these are the seasonings that I like. And then when it comes to the veggies, these are the ones that I wrote down that I gravitated towards. So I'm trying not to do too many options, because then it'll get overwhelming. And I just really want it to be seamless. I don't want to think about this too much. I want to just eat and go, because it's a lot of like planning ahead, I feel. So I've got asparagus I don't mind doing, which I think I chose not to for it. Broccoli, carrots, cucumber, and then I saw you could do lettuce, 3 cups. Do the olive oil. Vinegar is a guilt-free flavoring. Lemon juice is a guilt-free flavoring, and Himalayan pink sea salt is. So that sounds like a salad. So I'm gonna make a salad. And then I wrote as a snack, which I would really, really love. Like, I think I'm gonna do this every day because it'll be so easy, is hummus. And I put blank because I could do whatever veggie I want, but I'm gonna do cucumber because it's 1 cup of cucumbers sliced up, lemon juice, and then some Himalayan pink sea salt on those cucumbers. Okay, so once I kind of wrote down my choices to try to get an idea of what will this look like for me, this is another idea. I'll talk about that in a second. Then I started writing out the plan. Like, what would my day look like if I followed their plan each day? So every day they're saying you need to start your day with water, and then you need to drink half your weight in ounces in water. And so I was like, oh my goodness, that's a lot of water, because it can't count as the water that's in your shakes. It has to be extra. That's a lot of water. So I'm gonna work out, and you're supposed to start your day off with water. So water, workout, and of course I'm drinking water when I work out, so that's a great way to get some in. Then I have the Shakeology, and I'm gonna do an ice, half a banana, and then it's supposed to have 1.5 cups of water. This is gonna be hard for me because I really love peanut butter in my shake. Then you can have an herbal decaf, like not caffeine, like an herbal tea. So I'm gonna make a pitcher of tea at the beginning of the week so it's easy for me to pour and not have to think about it each day. And then at 10, you do the fiber. Well, I'm doing it at 10. It's supposed to be at least an hour. So I just have to wait at least till 10, have the fiber sweep with water. Then at 11, have the vanilla
whatever it's called, 1.5 with water. I'm gonna do 12 strawberries in that. That just sounds really, really delicious. And I'm gonna add some ice if I need to. I don't know if I'm gonna need to with all strawberries. And then I'm gonna do cucumber with hummus. That's the snack. Then at 12, for each day, I'm gonna have a salad. So I'm gonna do 3 cups of lettuce with a teaspoon, I think it is, of olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and salt, this Himalayan pink sea salt, and then I'll drink 2 waters, and then at least an hour later, I can have some herbal tea, and then at dinner. So the only thing is that I haven't figured out yet is that this is a lot of time between the two. So I don't know if I need to back the whole day up or give myself more than an hour in between, because it says at least an hour, so maybe I should wait like an hour and a half for each one. I don't know, I'll probably figure it out. The first day I'll be like a guinea pig. So then lunch, I'm gonna do the salad, tea, and then dinner. It gave you an option to do veggie stock, and it says how much. Let's find it, and I'll show you guys, because I actually saw a girl doing this. She just had a baby. If you guys follow Lauren Wandel, if I'm saying her name right, she actually showed that there's 1 cup of organic vegetable broth that you can have additional with your dinner. And you can add some fresh herbs. So what I'm gonna do is what I saw her do, because I love veggie soup, is do the 1 serving from a dinner recipe list, and I'm gonna add it to 1 cup of vegetable broth. So I'll show you the dinner choices. So they give you lots of choices. So you can do, which I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of water with broccoli, fresh carrots, cauliflower, and I'm actually gonna make this before the week starts. So I will just I'll make 3 servings of this and separate it out for the week, and I'll just heat it up before I eat it. But you can do asparagus with almonds, spinach salad. I mean, I don't want to make it too complicated on myself, because I would never eat kale and pine nuts or carrot seaweed medley or lemony green beans. Like, there's lots of choices if you get bored, but I love veggie soup. So those are all the different ones. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the veggie soup, make a bunch of it, and then you're also just have vanilla fresh with water, ice, and no fruit this time. Bummer, because that would be so yummy. And then I think I saw Autumn Calabrese talk about putting a little cinnamon on it, and that way it'll taste like dessert. And I'll have that, and then I'll have herbal tea, and I think I need to have 2 cups of water with my dinner, and then that is enough water for the day. So that's what I am doing. That's the plan, and that's how I figured it out. So I also then, after this page, that's all my water I'm trying to figure out how to consume, is these are the items that I need to make sure I have, that I have to purchase, so that if I don't have them in the fridge, those are outside of the kit that comes. So there is, on one of these days, my work is going out for lunch at a place that has a salad bar, and I was trying to think, do I need to move the 3-day refresh? What do I need to do? And then I realized, you know what I could do? Sorry, I thought I would turn the camera around. You know what I could do? I could eat the salad bar. I know how much greens I can fit into a green container. That's like 1/3 of a plate, really. I mean, if I did a scoop of it. So I will fill up my whole plate with lettuce, and because I can have 3 cups of lettuce, and then I'm pretty sure I saw oil and vinegar on that salad bar. And if not, I can always ask the kitchen. And then I'll just ask for can I have a bunch of lemons, and they'll think it's for my water. And then I just ordered on Amazon Himalayan pink sea salt packets, so I don't look weird at the table. So I'll probably put that link down below if you want to check it out. But I figured that way I'm not bringing out a Ziploc bag of Himalayan pink sea salt, because I think everyone's going to be like, what are you doing? And then I can just say, if I have the packets, they probably won't even notice, but I can just say, I don't eat table salt. And I think this will be good for the future too, to have the Himalayan pink sea salt, because it's full of good stuff for you. But that way I can still function in society for that lunch, and not feel like I'm missing out. You know what I mean? I was thinking, what could I eat? Because everything is no seasonings and no, you've got to be careful what you're having on it. So that is the plan. And then drinking water while I'm there. And then I'll stick to the regular routine when I get back. Have you guys done the 3-day refresh? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm excited and I'm nervous, so we'll see.